Well, I made the big mistake of trying to demo after my brother, so we'll see how that goes. Um, I spent most of my week doing other things, and but figured I had something that actually I worked on a little bit a couple weeks ago and a little bit this week, and figured I would share this. Something that a lot of people have asked for in the past. I have this beautiful table here, and I say I really want to go download this thing as an Excel, and I really like my formatting, and then I can go download it as an Excel file, maybe open it as an Excel file. I'm really busy. And look, I now have some formatting that came from my table in Excel, and these are regular numbers. And actually, this one is still a formula, which is what I have set up. So I just multiplied this one and by -1, so I got a negative number. It's just a number, but it's got I guess this was an automatic for. Not exactly sure how it shows up in numbers, but these are represented as styled cells in Excel, so that like the actual number is still here, and you can do math on them and stuff like that. So they're not just strings. Um, Still a little bit of work to do. It turns out that I had a couple of things that were totally broken when we started this meeting, and I had to fix them. But I'm sort of poking at this on the side, hoping to get this out in the future.
Are we translating like our formatting to Excel formatting there? Sorry.
Yeah, the idea is there is like we're translating our formatting,
Nice.
which has all the different things. Locales are another thing that I have to get in there somehow.
Yeah.
I know that we have built-in formatting for like different currencies and whatnot. I wouldn't be surprised if there's some other edges that I haven't quite found yet. So I probably need to go talk to someone about that.
That's awesome.
Mostly the big thing was hooking up the way we produce Excel files to stream them with the formats and convert the basic things in there. So this should work with an unlimited download, for example, in all the right ways. It goes and finds the formats. The way Excel encodes this stuff is you have to like pre-create the formats. So you go shove them off into this thing, and then it goes and it rips through and says like, make sure to add this format to this cell, and it works like